So if you're like me, you always find images online you would like to use for your lock screen, but they're just not the right size. And the problem with that is they get caught up in the lock screen, like the clock on the lock screen blocks part of the image and so on. So I'm going to show you how you can extend this image that we have here and make it long so we can use it on like an iPhone or something. So once we've dragged our image into Photoshop, all we want to do is double click our layer down here because we want to get rid of this padlock. So we just click that, click OK, and then next we're going to want to go up to image, canvas size. Now I just want to extend the height because like I said, I want to use this on like an iPhone, and I'm going to make this 2600, and then we're just going to zoom out a little bit, command minus, control minus if you're on Windows, and then we're just going to click V, and we'll drag this image down because we're just clicking the pointer. Now we have our image here. We're next going to go to edit at the top, make sure we're clicked on our layer, and once we're in here we're going to click content aware scale. Now what this is going to allow us to do is to drag this image up, and it's going to like grow the image but not affect the size of our main element. This doesn't work on every image, so your mileage may vary. I want it about there. I'm going to click OK. As you can see, it has replicated this image. It's extended the background for us. So as you can see, we have these little ripples in the water that have continued along with this filmic grain that's on the image. But yeah, we've nicely extended this image. And I think it looks really good and it works great on phone lock screens. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found this useful. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.